When we design a website, we must consider very carefully the primary goals or aims, the objectives of the website. Is it, for example, to simply give out information? Is it to encourage people to become involved or to contribute articles? Is it a learning management system? Or, as in this case for the tedxgympie website, is it to describe and encourage people to come to an event? And of course, that's what tedxgympie is all about. The event is on the 23rd of October, and we want this website to encourage people primarily to buy tickets. So you can see the design of this home page, and even on this small screen that I'm capturing here, I'm only seeing a small portion of the home page, but the bit that becomes visible on practically any computer that visits this home page are the most important links. Firstly, a description of what the event is about and access to further information if wanted. And then also, should someone wish to buy tickets, that is really easy, or wish to subscribe to the newsletter, that is really easy because these links are visible and accessible. And then, for example, if someone wishes to buy tickets, the process is very streamlined. So clicking on this link will open up a new tab to our ticket buying page, a little bit of information there, and then only one further click away, a person can actually buy tickets. So, and also they can see where they have to go on the day. So this website is obviously offering much more information than just that, but that primary purpose has been fundamentally designed into this website's layout. Let's have a look at some of the other features as well. So navigation is one of the key aspects of website design, and close on the heels of that is a good layout and an uncluttered design. So it's really important, even on this front page there's a lot of information, but there's also a lot of white space around, so it's easy to separate the bits of information. On our front page, we've got our main menu here, which is exactly where people would expect it to be. It's not in some unusual spot, but there's also a top menu of what might be called quick links, including links to our social media pages, which I'll run through in a moment. And then on the bottom of the page are further links. And these are what we might refer to as more informational supporting pages. So our legal issues are here, privacy issues are there, login button, all of these things that we want people to be able to access, but we don't put these kinds of links near the top of the page here because they could be distracting. For this particular layout, we're very fortunate to have on hand a visual designer, Jasmine Burks, and basically she and I, myself being more technically minded, worked together to create the design. So she would basically say what she wanted, where and how it was to look, and then I made that happen. And that is a really good way to create a new website as well. You get a designer and a technical person in, and that particularly works well for the front page. The other thing that is going to be a key design feature of this website are these sharing buttons here. Because what we want is for our social media campaign to be really easy to implement as well. So we make it easy for people to create what we call backlinks to our website. And that can be in the form of sharing to their Facebook accounts, Twitter, by email, Pinterest and Google. And also this feature which allows them to basically access all of the social media networks that exist. So that makes it really easy for people to link back to us and tell their friends. And that effectively will allow us to reach people we don't even know. And so through the various degrees of separation, friends of friends of friends, potentially knowledge of this event could go what we call viral. And that basically means publicity that you would not even have a hope of achieving via conventional means.